What's up, y'all? Just wanted to film this quick video just to let y'all know whenever you see stuff going on in the market, the economy, just do the opposite of whatever they're saying, y'all. Just do the opposite, and I guarantee you'll come out on top. Right now, if you're watching the news, there's all this tariff stuff going on. Trump is going to impose tariffs against Canada, Mexico, China, all these countries. So right now that's tanking the stock market. Stock market's going down and everyone's trying to get scared. They're like, "Oh, let me pull my money." But if anything, you want to do the opposite of that right now. Instead of pulling out your money or instead of getting scared, double down on if you don't have anything in the market, this is a great time to buy. If you do have investments in the market, this is a good time to double down. So instead of looking at what the general population is saying and getting scared, don't get scared during these times. These are the times you want to buy because really you're just getting all your investments at a discount. And why would you never want to pay full price for an asset, ever, ever. You never want to pay full price for an asset. So if you could get something at a discount, then do it. Whenever you hear people scared, whenever you hear fear going on in the market, that's when you do the opposite and you buy. Whenever you hear people saying, "Oh, this is going to the moon, this is going to the moon, this is at the top right now, this is flashy, flashy, this is what everyone needs," that's when you do the opposite. That's when you sell or stay away from it. So whatever you see going on in the market, just do the opposite. And this could be applied to like a lot of stuff for real if you think about it, because even if you go into crypto, for example, when people was doing the whole NFT stuff, and I fell to this myself. I didn't go too crazy. I think at most I spent like $800. That's like a good amount of money, but for me, it was plain money. I didn't know what was going to happen. So I was like, I'm comfortable losing this. If something happens to it, something happens. It is what it is. But either way, I say that to say that the whole ETF stuff that was going, or ETF, NFT, not ETFs. ETFs are perfectly fine. And I'll talk about that later. But the whole NFT stuff was going on and everyone was like, "Oh, this is the new thing. This is what's gonna make you a millionaire. Put your money into this, put your money into that." And literally everything I watched was talking about NFTs. So in my head, I was like, all right, let me do it too. As soon as I put my money into NFTs or that little 800, I think I bought two NFTs, one or two NFTs. As soon as I buy it, maybe like a month later, the whole stuff start crashing down and pretty much it's worth nothing now. So I just say, like, if you really look and just really think, anything that the general population is saying to do, don't follow it, guys. Because by the time the general population knows about something, the money has already been, by the time the general population is promoting something, the money has already been made from it. And at that point, you're going to be left holding the bag. And same thing with crypto. I'm not saying not to invest with crypto, but if you look at the meme coins like Doge and Trump coin, as soon as everyone hears about it and everyone's like, "Oh my gosh, this is going to the moon, buy this, buy this, buy this," that's when they pull the rug and you're going to get left holding that bag. You're going to get left with the negative investment. So once everyone hears about it, once everyone's promoting it, once everyone's hyping it up, saying to do it, do the opposite. Sell or don't get into it. And that will save you a lot of time and money inside the market, guys. Trust me. Do the opposite of whatever is happening. I know it sounds crazy, like, why would we do the opposite? But no, that's literally what you're supposed to do. The opposite. I know. But yeah. And then the reason I brought up, or I guess ETFs, why that kept coming in my mind, is because that's a great way to get into the market if you guys aren't already. Or if you are, it's a good asset to have that'll, counterbalance those separate individual stocks you have or whatever sort of investments you have that are not grouped up together. An ETF is just a group. Think of it like, in an ETF, instead of buying like one stock, you can just think of it as a family of stocks, just to sum it up, make it simplified. And right now, this is not investing advice. I think I gotta say that, I don't know. But I be hearing all the YouTubers who do financial stuff always say that. So this is not investing advice. I'm not giving you advice. I'm just saying my personal opinions. But VOO, VTI, those two right there at a discount right now. Go get those if you want. I'm not telling you to. But those are two of my favorites right there. One of the channels I watch is always promoting those, so I got into those and just been building up my balance in those. And VEO is just it tracks it's a ETF that tracks the S&P 500. So those are the 500 top companies in the U.S. and those are constantly getting changed in and out. So whatever the top 500 producing companies are doing is going to be mirrored in that ETF of VEO. And then VTI is if I'm not mistaken, it's the total stock market fund, and whatever the total stock market is doing is going to be mirrored in that too. So right now, if the whole stock market is on a decline or at a discount, then you'd be purchasing VTI, the whole market at a discount. And that's what you want to do. You don't want to buy when it's on a crazy uptrend or breaking records or nothing like that. So right now, just, go put your money into whatever's down, and a year from now, 2 years from now, you won't even have thought about it. And then just keep going investing. Whenever you see the market is crazy down again, put even more money in. Pretty much whenever people are scared and the market's crazy down, just dump money in. That's what I do. It hasn't failed me yet. I've been doing this for about 5 years now. Can't say I'm an expert, but I ain't new to this either, you feel me? So do with that information as you will. Once again, when people are scared, do the opposite. Don't follow the crowd in this investing stuff ever, because that's when you're going to be left holding the bag, or you're not going to realize or get the opportunities that you could have gotten because you were too scared, because everyone was saying, oh, everything's going down. So that's just free game right there, guys. Just do the opposite of whatever's happening in the market. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe.